ओके सो मैं हूँ आकाश सिंह और आज मैंने चूज किया है टू सिबलिंग्स को संस्कृति सिंह एंड सुकृति सिंह। वेलकम टू द न्यू पॉडकास्ट ऑफ संकट मोचन। आर यू रेडी?
Yes. Yes.
So how are you feeling that I have selected you both?
I am feeling happy for you twice.
Agni,
Me
this is the
twice.
first time two sisters are sitting here. No?
Yes,
A sister from 9th class and you are in which class?
8.
8th class. 9th and 8th.
Yes.
So Fagli, tell me, how was your journey? You have completed 1 year in this school, na?
Yes, sir.
So how was your journey in this school?
Sir, when I came firstly,
Okay.
I feared some nervous and
Okay.
I was so feared because the students who are coming from my village in this school, they talk in English and they
Don't
tell
talk English.
they tell that Sankat Mochan always prefers students to talk in English. The atmosphere is in English. I
definitely.
don't know how to talk
Okay,
in English.
when you came here, after then you you found that knowledge correct or incorrect?
Knowledge was correct, sir.
It was correct, na?
Yes.
Everyone was talking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Then
how
when
did you react?
I react very good that I get too much good school which I want and I get a wonderful school that I need and definitely I can speak English now and everyone from my relation they said your school is wonderful. Like,
Okay, so only English is like a good or everything is good?
everything sir like studies and what about the knowledge they are giving educational knowledge and about what is related to family, how can we respect and all over the thing they tell are wonderful.
Okay, everything is wonderful.
Yes,
Like. No, are you praising our school just because you are studying in this school, or really you think that this is good?
Sir, I really think that it's wonderful.
Okay, really?
Yes, sir, it's really.
Okay, so subject wise, what about the maths?
So maths is wow
Who
good.
teaches you maths and what is the condition? How is
Sir,
studying?
I'm from upper classes, so my
How many
maths
teachers are the maths there?
my maths teacher is Mr. Arun Dubey sir.
Okay.
He teach us maths very wonderfully and very delightfully. How can we learn? And the what we have issue in maths, he always solve this. He didn't tension about the syllabus. He always tell what you need and what we understand.
Okay, and there is a specific extra classes for you, no? Maths?
Yes, sir. It's on morning time. We have 1 hour special classes that is extra
Okay.
tuition.
You tell about your math teacher. How
My
who is
math
teaching you
teacher,
math?
Anshri sir,
Okay.
teach us math, and it's for wonderful classes that I need. And it
Is there
can
any
be-
kind of extra classes for you?
Yes, sir. In the morning.
Who teaches?
Ankit Yadav sir.
Ankit Yadav sir. Okay, it means math condition is very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, except math. That's something else.
Science
Science. Who teaches you science?
is Mr. Swan sir, and he teaches very good. And with the practical, we get more knowledge about.
I've seen your videos. Like, what are you doing in practical room? What are you
Firstly,
doing?
we are checking our blood group.
Blood group you can check.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
No, I saw the video of Siga. She was checking the blood group of Aryan sir. If suppose that if I want to if I'm saying to you that check my blood group, so can you check it?
Yes, sir.
What is the procedure of checking the blood?
So there are our kit came ABD kit. There are 3 bottles: A antibody, B antibody, and C antibody. Firstly, we pinch on your finger and we take your blood. Then we separately take mix antibody A, B, and D.
Okay.
Then if like your blood group is O positive, then if the D antibody start clotting, then your blood group is O positive.
Okay.
So there are many blood groups, that if this we get knowledge about that. If A, B clot.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, so Sanskriti, you both come from Dappalpur.
Yes, sir.
Where is Dappalpur?
Sir, it's near Dhiragpur.
It's near D Dhakkupur.
Yes.
D Dhakkupur or D Dhakkupur?
Dhiragpur.
D Dhakkupur. Okay, so if someone is asking to you 3 qualities of a school, so what do you want to tell?
So firstly,
Being a new student, 3 qualities of a school, which is like many things are good in this school.
Yes.
So what you like?
sir, as being a new student, I firstly tell that I was not able to talk in English. The first fault is English speaking.
English.
Because English is an international language.
Certainly.
If you will go anywhere, any country, you will need this language.
Okay.
The
Certainly.
second thing, it about studies. What they are giving us, it's wonderful. Not you are taking a batch or not online classes cannot beat this.
Acha, one thing is that na, like this is the school. Mostly students are not taking the coaching, any kind of coaching.
Yes,
Because
sir.
extra classes are you taking any kind of coaching?
No, sir.
From other sources?
No, sir.
No, huh? That is
Because
very
our
good.
school is providing extra classes
Oh.
with no money.
Without money, na? It's a free of class, no?
Yes, sir.
The 1 hour extra classes you are getting is a free of class.
Yes, sir.
And you know that it's if you're taking coaching, that coaching teacher it's a scam, I think.
Scam?
Yes, sir.
How could you say that?
Because
Don't tell like teachers will agree on you that you're saying the teach.
I think that na.
What kind of
it's-
scam is it? Please explain.
So firstly, see, if you're taking the classes of math or science, it's helpful in IIT. It's okay. But the coaching teacher tell you all the things, science, math, SST, all the.
Before speaking anything, just be careful that you are blaming all the coaching teachers.
No, sir, I'm not blaming all the.
Your school teachers also teach someone's story.
No, definitely.
No, but.
No, they are
this is
teaching
the-
tuition.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tuition coaching is different.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I think that there are many, you know, that in coaching, na, there are many things you have to learn. There are many things like you don't study whole the things na, in 1 hour.
Yeah.
It's not too much hour. You can study in school in 8 hours, I think 8 hours. And you know, in coaching you study 1 2 I think. And if you are studying whole the subject, it's not possible that you understand whole the things.
Okay.
So firstly, what she said, the scam word is not fitted there.
Definitely, scam. It's a kind of that word, not like blaming someone.
Yes.
It can't be scam. But the few teachers I've seen that na, they are teaching the unnecessary thing, and after then they are like saying to the student, without coaching you can't decide. No, I think
Now
that is
it's become a business.
definitely. No, each and everything is business right now.
Yeah, but it's
Also.
Everything is business. No? Everything is business. Like you study each and everything. No, like it is good. I think.
yes, sir, but not all.
Main thing is that you can say in India in unemployment too much. So definitely somebody is earning
sir.
money, but the teaching he's not snatching money from someone's pocket. Na? Even he's not burgling, he's not mugging. He's teaching. So by teaching someone is earning, then no problem.
Yeah.
No, but he is teaching the wrong, and after that, but someone is will teach wrong.
Taking
Then
money
who
too
will go
much,
there?
right?
Oh, that's true. Okay, so Duffalpur, tell me something about Duffalpur. Actually, I don't know about the Duffalpur. So
Yes, sir,
why
I know
not-
because you're not belonging to this area.
No, I know every village in this area, but Duffalpur I don't know.
You know
I know Siddhi Ganesh,
Fulwari? You know
Fulwari I don't know. I have heard the Duffalpur, Fulwari. Didangupur I know very much. I have many friends in Didangupur, but Duffalpur I don't know.
It's near Gadoli, you know
Gadoli.
about, and also Banmai.
Tell something about the village. Banmai I know.
Yeah, it's belonging near Banmai.
When you speak English, do you speak English in your village?
So sometimes.
You speak. Then what is the thinking of your village?
We speak in front of our family members, and they said, "I see your video, and when you speak English, I think it's best for you, and it's very good schooling."
Actually, main thing is that English is not all about, but English like it is like a kind of you can say that decoration.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
that you bend somewhere there, it's a wow good decoration over there, na?
Yes.
So definitely it looks like wow good. And this is it is the language of elite car. Okay, so you both can speak English or you have some hands in debating also.
So we have some hands.
Okay, debate you can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, some discussion points and debates.
Okay, if you want to debate with me any topic, so you can. So, wanna debate with me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't want to debate with you.
Huh?
I want to discuss about the thing.
Discuss or debate?
Discussing.
Okay, please.
So, what
Sir, I
should
want
we
to
talk?
discuss about education system of India.
Education system of India.
What you think? I want to know what you think about that.
No, this talking is not about me. Firstly, I want to know what you think. After then, I'll tell my opinion. Okay?
Sir, I think that education in India is well, but sometimes it become like businesses.
Why? No, actually, that's a before only talking. So everything is business, right?
Yes.
Everything is business.
Yes, sir.
But education, it should be different.
Yes.
Education should be different, huh? But no problem.
You know, if we talk about private, it's well, but if we talk about the government system, education system, it's not too much good.
Why it is bad? The main reason that why it is bad. Who's responsible?
The government main thing is that teachers who are teaching there,
Okay.
and also the school management. Like
School
you know,
management.
yes,
Yes,
about
sir.
government.
And the main point is mentality.
Mentality, yeah, this is the point. And okay, if I say that government is not responsible and management is not responsible, mentality is not responsible.
It's the mindset of the family members,
Wait,
parents.
no. You know why, like, students are not going in the primary school?
Uh, Main thing is that
The corruption.
What kind of corruption?
Sir, I have saw, matlab, I didn't go there,
Okay.
but they tell who go in there. They tell that teachers are not teaching well.
Teachers not.
they are
It's a myth or fact, I don't know. But
No, it's actually it's a half fact, half myth. Because my many teachers who are my friends, they are in primary school, they're teaching. So they are saying, sir, students are not coming, so what's the issue?
So you know that government take a decision that they are closing some of the schools,
Ah, definitely they have taken this.
government schools. You know the condition of government schools, it's very bad. If we talk about the buildings, it's not good. That's why the students don't want to come to school. I think.
That's why, na, who is responsible for that?
the government.
Definitely
Government.
government.
Okay, listen. It's suppose that building will be good.
Yeah.
If building will be good, so student will go there.
The building doesn't matter. The teachers
Building
matter.
doesn't matter, na. But teachers are qualified.
Sir, you know that the government teachers are very well. They have very
Qualified.
well knowledge,
Okay.
right? But they are not teaching. I listen about some of the schools, like some of the schools, you know, their teacher are taking not too much knowledge to the student. They are, you know, government school students don't know their country name. I listen that.
Huh.
Yeah, in a video, I joined this social media and I know about the government schools things, and it's the matter of government our teachers now, but they are not doing anything for the students. And many types of movie made for that because teachers are saying them to clean the school, and that's not the manners, no.
Ah, okay. No, leave that. Leave that. We are not responsible, right?
Yeah.
What is your future?
Sir, it's I want to become a CA, chartered accountant.
See, you.
I want to become a doctor.
Okay. Chartered accountant and doctor. It means you will earn the wage, you will manage the money.
And I think that
What's your father?
first I think
Sir, my father is an employee in a company.
Company kind of
It's a fertilizers and pesticides.
Yeah.
He has his transport system.
Okay.
He manages the transport system.
Okay. Okay. So, why do you want to become the doctor?
I want to become a doctor because you know that
Do you understand the poor people?
yeah, definitely, and I think that
This is the one dialogue like told by the every student, but after becoming a doctor, no one do that.
I know, but I
Why
can-
same dialogue like I hear all the time that I want to serve the people.
because main thing is you know doctor is known as the second god for the people,
And
and
teachers are first one.
yes,
They're talking to the first god.
and I think that doctor will do many things for the they can save the life.
How many gods are?
They are, I think na
Teachers are god, doctors are
who,
god,
who are
parents
your
are god.
elders who teach you something new, they are your gods. You have to respect. Firstly, you know the first god, you know.
Are you devotee of any kind of spiritual god? Like Bole Shankar, Mahadev, Krishna ji? Do you
Yes.
believe in? Do you believe in?
Yes,
Do you worship?
because of the
Worship?
yes.
Who's your favorite god? Who's your favorite god?
Sir, I can't prefer anyone as favorite God because
God.
God because because we have listened that every God is not of kind. God is same. God is
What
one
is say?
single.
No, no, one.
God
How
in
one God?
everything.
Yeah.
How one God?
I think
It
that
means you are saying only Ram and there is no Krishna.
So they are the form of.
So they are the form of, but they are not. They
Yes,
exist
they
not.
are.
sir.
They
Huh?
exist.
I believe on everyone, but
Who's your favorite?
um, uh, I must say
Like
that,
my favorite God is Raja Ramchandra. You tell about you.
sir, you know that we are the students,
Okay.
so I definitely worship of Saraswati Mata.
Saraswati Mati,
Sir Ramchandra.
Ramchandra. She ever Ramchandra.
Jai.
Many students like have seen that. You know, this narrative set by the political party that all the, right now everyone is making their favorite god or they are choosing their favorite god. Raja Ramchandra, this is the ideal person that our Raja Ramchandra is super.
Yes, sir. In everything that you know there are many ways to tell about the religion our religion is just different from other religions, and there are many magical things. If we talk about Shiv, there are
Have you gone out there?
yes,
Many times.
It gives too much peace. No?
Yes.
yes, sir.
New temple is wrong.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. What a wonderful thing just
Ah.
by our prime minister, and I think that
Government did very good.
yes, sir. And
Main thing is that dispute ended, that is God.
Yes.
yes,
Dispute ended after many years.
you know that some of the other country people, foreigners, they join us, Indian religion. Yes, I listen very well, and
Ah, there is a problem with the religion. What do you think about religion?
it's not too much. It's too much.
Sir, I
deep,
didn't
but-
believe.
It matters for you, no? Religion. Religion after then caste.
Yes.
Sir, I think that don't judge anyone from the caste
Okay.
because it's many type of discrimination.
I think caste system it is only for the lower and middle class people. Upper caste, I think they don't see the caste. You know, I'm giving you the example. There is a very famous leader in Bihar. His name is Anand Singh. His name is Anand Singh. So many people they were thinking that Anand Singh is Thakur. Anand Singh is Thakur because they are written over there Singh, so they were thinking he's Thakur. So I told them he's not Thakur. He's kind of Bhumihar. There is a Bhumihar caste. It comes in upper caste. He is similar to Pandit, Brahman. No? But people think that name is written like Singh. So he's Thakur. No? So
It's sometimes
I think in upper caste, like work matters. Like upper, like hero, heroine. Who's caste? We don't know. Someone is coming to our we don't see the caste. We see the work. We see the work.
skills.
But in lower caste, medium class, we see the caste, each and everything.
Yes, sir.
This is very bad.
That's why I think India and Bihar is lower.
Ah, that's why India is in. Bihar election, are you following?
Huh?
Bihar election, do you have some knowledge about Bihar election?
No,
Who's going to win?
I don't.
Okay, I think time is enough. So,
Yes.
how was the discussion?
So it was all.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Did you like it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when I'll get a chance to call you again, definitely I'll try to. Okay, nice talking about.
Yes, sir.
Okay,